Hello and welcome. Today we are exploring the vibrant city of San Antonio, Texas. This city is full of history, culture, and unique experiences. From its rich Spanish heritage to its lively modern attractions, San Antonio offers something special for every traveler. You can stroll along beautiful river walkways, discover historic missions, and enjoy the mix of art, music, and delicious food that makes this city so memorable. Whether you are here for history, nature, or culture, San Antonio promises an unforgettable journey filled with charm and adventure. The Alamo is one of the most iconic landmarks in Texas. It holds a powerful story of courage and sacrifice from the Texas Revolution in the early 1800s. Visiting this historic mission allows you to walk through preserved grounds, explore exhibits, and connect with the events that shape the history of Texas. The Alamo is not just a monument, it is a symbol of resilience and a place where the past comes alive for every visitor. The San Antonio River Walk is the heart of the city and one of its most loved attractions. It is a beautiful network of walkways along the San Antonio River, lined with restaurants, shops, and cultural spots. Visitors can enjoy a peaceful stroll, take a riverboat cruise, or simply relax while watching the lively atmosphere. With its colorful lights, vibrant energy, and unique charm, the River Walk offers an experience that is both relaxing and unforgettable. San Antonio Missions National Historical Park preserves a group of historic Spanish missions from the 1700s. These missions played an important role in the history and culture of the region. Visitors can explore the well-preserved churches, learn about the lives of the people who lived and worked here, and enjoy peaceful walking trails that connect the sites. The park offers a unique glimpse into San Antonio's past and the chance to experience the rich heritage of the area. The Pearl District is a lively neighborhood that blends history with modern culture. Once a historic brewery, it has been transformed into a hub for dining, shopping, and entertainment. Visitors can explore local boutiques, taste food from award-winning restaurants, and enjoy the weekend farmers market. The area also hosts cultural events, live music, and art displays, making it a favorite gathering place for both locals and travelers. The Pearl District offers a unique mix of tradition and creativity in the heart of San Antonio. The Tower of the Americas is a striking landmark that rises over the San Antonio skyline. Built for the World's Fair in the late 1960s, it stands at over 700 feet tall and offers breathtaking views of the entire city. Visitors can take a glass elevator ride to the top, enjoy the observation deck, and even dine at the revolving restaurant. The tower provides a perfect way to see San Antonio from a whole new perspective, both during the day and at night when the city lights shine bright. Natural Bridge Caverns is one of the most fascinating natural wonders in Texas. Discovered in the 1960s, these underground caves feature incredible formations of stalactites and stalagmites that have taken thousands of years to form. Guided tours lead visitors through massive chambers filled with stunning rock shapes and natural beauty. Above ground, there are fun activities like zip lines, a maze, and gem mining, making it a place that blends adventure, education, and discovery for all ages. San Fernando Cathedral is one of the oldest cathedrals in the United States and a historic treasure in San Antonio. Built in the 1700s, it has stood for centuries as a place of faith and community. The cathedral is also known for its stunning architecture and beautiful stained glass windows. In the evenings, visitors can enjoy a captivating light show projected onto the building, telling the story of the city's history in a vibrant and unforgettable way. The Tower Life Building is a historic skyscraper in downtown San Antonio. Built in the early 1900s, it stands out with its unique neo-Gothic architecture and striking green roof. The building adds charm to the city skyline and is a symbol of San Antonio's growth and history. Its detailed design and elegant presence make it a favorite spot for photographers and architecture enthusiasts exploring the downtown area. Historic Market Square is a lively cultural hub often called the largest Mexican market in the United States. This colorful destination is filled with shops, artisans, and food stalls that reflect the vibrant heritage of San Antonio. Visitors can browse handmade crafts, enjoy authentic Tex-Mex and Mexican cuisine, and listen to live music that fills the air with energy. With its festive atmosphere and rich traditions, historic Market Square offers a true taste of the city's cultural spirit. The Japanese Tea Garden is a peaceful escape filled with beauty and charm. Built in the early 1900s, it features winding stone paths, colorful gardens, a large koi pond, and graceful bridges. Visitors can enjoy the calm atmosphere, admire the waterfalls, and take in the unique architecture that gives the garden its special character. It is a place where nature and culture come together, offering a quiet retreat from the busy city and a chance to relax in a truly serene setting.